Joe deserves this award because of all the stuff he does that people don't see in the background.
Every single thing in the district passes through mostly Joe's hands.
But the biggest thing is Joe understands what we're here for. He understands the why.
When I first started working here, Joe was just easy to talk to, very welcoming.
He's a great individual, great person to work with, gets along great with all his teammates.
I still learn things from Joe. You know, as long as I've been here, I can still learn from the way that he is, you know, even his attitude. Kind of like changed the way that I do things. You know, when you're here a long time, kind of start maybe getting a little stale, and I appreciate that about him. He's really like inspiring.
I love working in the warehouse. Everything kind of comes through the warehouse, and we're kind of involved in everything. So we kind of have an effect on students, staff, teachers, other departments. It's just nice to feel like you have a big impact on the kids. Every desk that they sit there at, every chair is delivered by us, the pencils they use, everything is kind of comes through us. So that's kind of, you feel like rewarding working in the warehouse.
Because there's days where he just gets bombarded with materials and it's like skids worth. And the way he just dishes it out, it makes it look so easy.
Joe never quits. He's very authentic. The schedule down here, we may have a calendar and things to do. That's subject to change at any second, and it does. And he effortlessly just flow into the next thing, and I think it's calming to everyone else.
If there's something that we don't know that's going on in the warehouse, go see Joe. Joe knows where it's at. If Joe doesn't know where it's at in the warehouse, or if Joe says it's not in the warehouse, it's not in the warehouse. What makes Joe so special is he's a good guy, and other people just follow his lead. We have team meetings every morning, every afternoon, and he shares that knowledge. We all talk and we ask questions. He makes everybody else better.
Joe is a really, really big heart. I know that the right person got this award because when they gave it to him, the first thing he said was, no, it's not just me, it's this team. Like, I couldn't do it without all these guys. And I'm like, that's it right there. That shows you he's really worthy of it.
He just keeps getting better and better, and you just don't think you can, but he just keeps going through the ceiling and keeps going higher and higher. He's just such a great worker, a great friend, and a great teammate to all of us.
I'm definitely very appreciative of it. I was completely surprised by it. You know, people come down here with a bunch of balloons, and it's cool to be appreciated though, obviously.